How do you feel when the tomatoes I grow at home have a high yield like those grown in the field? Growing dwarf tomatoes at home is not difficult. As long as you plant and fertilize properly, you will have the dwarf tomato garden you want. Today I will guide you how to grow tomatoes at home step by step. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. To have healthy young plants, I choose old tomatoes and strong seeds to grow young plants. After sowing the seeds, I will spray water to help the seeds germinate quickly. Today, I will build a wooden box to grow tomatoes. Two-liter can I use to attach electric wire to make water bottle for watering plants. To grow plants better, I put worm castings at the base of the plants to help them grow better and the soil become looser. I will nail the wooden frame to the wall and then put soil into the wooden frame. After a few days of sowing the seeds, they have now sprouted and grown into young plants. I will plant them in a wooden frame. After planting, I put water in a bottle to make a water line to water the plants. I mix root stimulant with water to water the plant, helping it take root faster. After a few days of planting, the tree has taken root and is growing very well. To prevent the tree from lacking nutrients, I put worm manure at the base to help the tree absorb nutrients directly, and worm manure also helps improve the soil. At this stage, worms and fungi invade, so I will take fresh ginger, cut into small pieces, mix with water, and spray on the plant to prevent worms and fungi from entering. To keep the plant moist, I put water in the bottle and the water flows along the electric wire to provide moisture for the plant. After a period of planting, it is now harvest time. My tree has produced a lot of fruit. Now I will pick them to cook. Dwarf tomatoes can also be eaten raw, very good for health and beautiful skin. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Goodbye and see you again.